The tension between US and China is increasing day by day as US is upset with China's initial handling of the current virus. US companies are now looking forward to reduce their overdependence on China and are planning to shift their manufacturing units and businesses from China to India after the end of this pandemic. Before understanding how US firms shifting to India can help India solve their migration problem, we need to understand the details of Indian migration. India faced huge migration crisis during this pandemic. Millions of migrants wanted to go back to their home state because they had no source of income as businesses were shut down because of the pandemic. Migrants had to face many problems. With the help of central and state government and many other responsible citizens, many migrants successfully reached their hometown. According to 2011 census of India, the number of internal migrants in India was 450 million. An increase of 45% was noted over the 309 million recorded in 2001. These 450 million internal migrants represent 37% of India's population. Out of 450 million internal migrants, about 12% represent interstate migration. Most of the migrants migrate to other states for better job opportunities and to increase their standard of living. Employment and business are the main reasons for migration among males, and marriage is the main reason for migration among females. Out of 450 million internal migrants, about 52 million migrants migrate for work and employment opportunities. Cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata are the main centers for most of the migrants. These migrants form very important part of these cities. Delhi and Mumbai is home of 9 million migrants. That's one-third of both the cities' total combined population of 29 million. Uttar Pradesh, which is India's most populous state with population over 204 million, and the state of Bihar are the two main states responsible for migration in India. According to 2011 census, 21 million people migrated from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Many US companies are considering Uttar Pradesh as their new destination. The companies like Lockheed Martin, Adobe, Honeywell, Boston Scientific, Cisco Systems, UPS, and FedEx showed interest in the fields of agriculture, electronics, medicine, scientific instrumentation, logistics, defense, aviation, food processing, etc. Establishment of these companies in Uttar Pradesh will increase job opportunities for the local people, which will discourage the locals to migrate to another state as they will be getting better job opportunities and standard income, which will increase their standard of living. These companies will also bring foreign investment, foreign technology, which will help to improve infrastructure and boost local economy. It looks simple, but it is a very complex process. And if all things happen as per planned, then this will surely help India to reduce its migration problem in next 5 to 10 years.